Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Boat's Rupee Review. In today's episode, we have a little friend with us. I couldn't get him to go away, so now I have him here, taking up half the camera space for the entirety of the episode. Please don't stare, he gets shy. Today's episode, we have Henry Weinhard's. This is a very special episode for me because this is the one that started it all. I took one sip of this root beer and I immediately knew that there was so much more to the root beer world, to this beverage, and I had to try them all. This is what inspired me to make the channel. I wish it was my first episode, but it wasn't. I had the blonde root beer one, and man, knowing that I wasn't experienced at all when I first tried this and I thought it was amazing, I'm a little worried that it's not going to be as good as I remember. I have a reoccurring piece today. We have the bottle and can opener from Papa Lock. Not sponsored. Wonderful. And it took me too many takes, so we just have a bottomly frosted glass. That's nice. Ooh. Decent amount of head. Just the way I like it. A little bit left in the bottle. I am nervous to pour it in. So, sound. Don't know if you guys can hear that because the jazz is, again, very loud. Looks, I can kind of see through it in most areas, so it's a rich but not super deep and dark color. When you get bits of light shining through it, it's almost an auburn color. And the smell smells almost a little disappointing. It smells anise, vanilla, and cane sugar. So, without further ado, Henry Weinhard's. The mouthfeel, decent. Actually, no, the mouthfeel is good. It's good. The flavor is not disappointing, but it's just all entirely average. If I had to pick one root beer as the number 5, the most average root beer, it would be Henry Weinhard's. So, going to take this. I missed. Henry Weinhard's, right there on that little white dot. You know, it's something commendable about being the exact 5, the standard, the most average, and that is, people will always try to be as good, if not better, than you. You are the thing that people realize and recognize as the most average. You are the bar. And that is, I think, worthy of a little thing that I said I was going to do.